Hi guys, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Acer Swift 3. First, let's take a look at the design. The aluminium chassis gives a real premium feel and comes in a gorgeous cool grey colour, making this laptop a really stylish product. And it weighs just 1.19 kilos and is 15.95mm thin, so it's super lightweight and portable, which makes it perfect for carrying in your bag if you're working on the move all day. The laptop has a built-in fingerprint scanner, making it really easy to log in if you're in a rush. And it gives improved security, so you don't need to type your password in when you're out and about. The fingerprint scanner was really reliable, as it worked almost every time that I had to use it. It's also worth mentioning how quickly the laptop booted up. I could open the laptop and log in within a matter of seconds, which was great. As well as easy login, if you have any questions, you can just ask Cortana, your personal assistant who's always on hand to help. Thin bezels allow you to get the maximum screen space out of this laptop, as the 14-inch screen has an 84% screen to body ratio. It also has a 16:9 aspect ratio, which makes it great for working from a couple of windows at once. Its Full HD 1080p IPS display gives vibrant visuals due to Acer's colour intelligence and Exocolour, which gives enhanced colour contrast, so this laptop can be good for watching films or basic content creation. The screen has an anti-glare coating and can actually bend 180 degrees backwards, which makes it great for collaborative working, so you can have it flat on the table for people to easily view or work from. The keyboard is a little spongy, but overall was nicely laid out to make touch typing really easy, and it was really quiet to use. In fact, the laptop was really quiet in general. There was barely any fan noise, which makes it great for those working in a library or other quiet spaces. It also has 8GB of memory, so you can work from multiple tabs at once. Although this laptop can handle some simple games, it's not really ideal for professional gamers, as it's more a laptop designed for daily use. The battery on this laptop is said to give up to 10 hours battery life with power management on. However, I did find mine did not quite last this long, as I used it for researching products and writing scripts all day, and it lasted 8 hours. However, this is still perfect for a full day's work. This laptop features the latest Intel Core i3 processor, which is said to deliver approximately 2.5 to 3 times accelerated AI performance, up to 2 times graphic performance and nearly 3 times faster wireless speeds, making this a really great all-round performing laptop. This laptop has a variety of connectivity options. On the one side we have the charge port, HDMI, USB and USB-C. On the other side we have a Kensington lock slot, USB and headphone jack. With USB-C and Thunderbolt 35, the Swift 3 is capable of connecting to a range of devices really quickly. This laptop has a built-in webcam and speakers that were really good. I could see myself really clearly and the speakers were quite loud, which makes it perfect for those who need to attend Zoom meetings or keep in contact with loved ones via video call. Overall, this laptop is a great all-rounder. Its stylish design, decent specs and cool added features make it a perfect everyday laptop for both work and entertainment. What do you guys think of this laptop? Make sure to let us know below, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and we'll be happy to get back to you. We've also included the link to buy below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.